The heart chakra, also known as Anahata, is the fourth primary chakra in our body that is located in the center of the chest, near the heart. It is associated with all the emotions in our body, like love, compassion, joy, anger, sadness, etc., and governs our relationships with others. It is represented by the green color that symbolizes growth and healing. The color green portrays that one needs love and compassion to grow and evolve in life. A balanced heart chakra means improved flow of emotions, healthy relationships, sense of compassion and empathy, along with higher emotional intelligence and well-being. But when the heart chakra is blocked, that's when the misalignment happens. An imbalanced heart chakra means feeling discomfort while expressing your emotions, feeling a sense of loneliness within you, feeling stuck in the past and replaying old scenarios, feeling difficulty in trusting others, feeling heavy in the center of the chest, clinically having high blood pressure. In today's episode, step by step, we'll heal our heart chakra. With these guided affirmations, we can heal from our past traumas and free ourselves from emotional baggage and trust issues. Let's begin. Find a comfortable spot where you can relax your mind and body completely. Allow it to sink in and close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Repeat it one more time. Inhale and exhale. Keep repeating this until you feel comfortable and relaxed. Now, place both your hands on the center of your chest and breathe again. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now imagine a circle of light green color surrounding the center of your chest. As you breathe, you can feel that the green color is getting darker and moving in a circular motion. Feel its calm presence. Keep on inhaling and exhaling. Feel that green light is giving you a sense of comfort and releasing your negative emotions. Feel that light protecting your heart. Feel that green light is making your heart stronger. Now, begin to say these affirmations in your mind. I am free of all my emotional baggage. I let go of my past. I forgive others. I am surrounded by love. My heart is filled with empathy, compassion, and certainty. I have a beautiful heart. I am able to express myself. I am loving myself more and more. I am experiencing more love each day. I am healed. I am loved. My heart is healed. I am able to trust people. I trust my instincts. I am becoming emotionally strong. I am listening to my heart. I love the person I am becoming. I am grateful for all the healthy relationships in my life. I express gratitude towards my heart. I am transforming. I am protected and taken care of. I have a healthy heart. My heart is feeling lighter. My heart chakra is now open. My heart chakra is now balanced. I can visualize that my heart chakra is now clean and bright. My heart chakra is healed. My heart chakra is healed. My heart chakra is healed. Keep on feeling this and take deep breaths. Now, slowly remove your hands from your chest and say, "Thank you for healing my heart." Keep your eyes closed. Rub your palms slowly and place them back on your eyes. Repeat this 3 times. Now, gently open your eyes with a smile. Healing takes time, and we are allowed to feel our emotions. Let your heart heal. Try this for at least 21 days to see the magic.